ball. நிற்கிறது. It's a great catch. Next one. The slower edge இருக்கு. Second watch. Edge இருக்கு. It's a catch. Sankar is waiting. Slower. Transfer. Misunderstanding பார்க்குறோம். Last 18 ball to go to end the first innings. First one. Fourth ball. Yes, good shot again. Great catch. Next one. And it's a bold. The 4 out of 150 up. Last 2 ball to go. Fifth one. It's a bold. Drilling ball. Stamping. First or last one. Good shot. நல்ல ஒரு